Okay. Be quiet, be quiet.
This is not. Are you 35?
Look.
Have you paid for this slot?
Did you pay for it?
It is not booked until June fucking 1st.
Okay,
sir.
Karen.
So there is no right for you to be here.
Okay, Karen.
I am not fucking Karen.
Oh,
There's
no, okay.
right for you to be here.
Okay.
You're fucking disrespectful. Go to your own slot or...
Okay, who is this
It is
person?
totally unnecessary that you're so fucked up.
Okay.
You can't get in your own slot.
Okay. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Just be quiet. Just be quiet.
Before you're both in your own fucking slot, you would've.
Okay, we got you. What else do you want?
You know what?
We're being really nice to you. You,
Ridiculous.
they know where.
Not being really nice. You screamed at my daughter.
I screamed at her.
I
Be quiet.
Yeah.
So who's screaming? Really?
Get the fuck away from us! You are not respecting our boundaries!
We got 6 feet here.
You're not 6 feet from our boat! Get away! Ashley, stop
Okay.
talking. On Mother's Day,
Oh, yeah?
a boat...
Oh.
Go in and-
Okay. What's the problem?
Get the fuck off of our dock!
Oh, really? Your dog? Why are you like that?
Because on Mother's
We're
Day,
being so nice to you.
somebody not! This is not your mooring! If you paid to moor your boat here, there would be no issue, sir. Yeah. Just go to your own mooring. What number? This is 35!
Really?
Just go to your own mooring.
So what's the problem with 35?
That you do not book this fucking slot! Get away!
So what if I have 35? Don't hit. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Just don't touch me. Don't touch me. So, what is the problem here?
You need to leave.
Be quiet.
Both of you.
Be quiet. Just be quiet. She's
Can you tell me what your name is and which
What your
ship you
fucking
claim
mooring
you're
number?
no. I wouldn't. Who are you?
My name is Richard M. Trump. What is your name?
I don't give a shit about what my name is. I don't have to give my name.
Rick!
I don't have to give my name. Look.
Get off!
Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna call the police on you. So now I'm gonna have to. You.
Both of my daughters.
I.
Both of my girls.
No. I'm gonna call the police.